Hi everyone, I am Ankush and in today's tutorial we are going to create an image widget with Unsplash using Dcoder app. Open up the app, click on Start Coding and create flow. I'm going to create a new one. Let's name it Unsplash widget. Click Create. Choose the default configuration. Click Add and now let's add a widget. I'm going to choose Image Widget. Let's name it Unsplash. And the description can be Unsplash widget. Press OK. Click on the widget block to provide the data for the block. Now this widget can take one big image URL and two action items. For this tutorial we're just going to use the image URL. So I'm going to use Unsplash URL, which provides a random image of mountains. You can change the mountains to river or something else to get another images. Press done. Now I'll just go to my home screen. If you are on Android 8 Plus, you could just hit the add to home screen button, or just go to your home screen, long press and add the widget. Connect it with the current one. Go back to the app. It should say connected. Click on the test button. Also would like to stretch this to a landscape mode. Okay, let's just go to the execution and see what happened. Go to the history. Okay, the execution was successful and we saw the image. Now you can just go back and change you can also deploy it by changing the trigger to schedule, and I can schedule it every hour or something, and then it will change this image widget's wallpaper every hour on my phone. So that's how you use image widgets. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.